So today we are going to discuss paper of 2002. Okay, PCS exams paper. ठीक है. There is 150 questions. We have to discuss all and answer the correct. ठीक है. First question is Upanishad are books on. So answer will be philosophy. Explanation is because theory of salvation, which is called moksha, it is mentioned in Upanishad. ठीक है. And Upanishad also known as Vedanta. That means Ant of Veda. So it is related to philosophy. Total there is total 108 Upanishad, but only 13 Upanishad are known to us. The name are given here like Kena, Katha, Isha, Kandogya. So this kind of like name are given here. So we will discuss like how many questions came from which sector this book has defined. For example, ancient history, topic Vedic civilization, one question. Okay, next topic is from when we segregate the topics, then we just have the proper idea like how different kind of topics are important and how should we approach that topics when we are just going to read it. ठीक है. Next question related to post Vedic era, epic era and Sangam era. Okay. Question is expounder of yoga philosophy is, so it will be the Patanjali. I think it is normal question, every each of you will remember it. So Patanjali was an expounder of the Yoga Sutra, which talks about the working of the mind and emotions. Yoga presents a method of physical and mental discipline. Okay. So what we think after yoga, like yoga is for mental and physical peace, है ना? The good combination of both for good working. Okay. And the next question is the topic from Buddhism, Jainism, and Sanatan religion. Okay. Which of the following places is considered as Jain Siddha Kshetra on account of its association with Parshvanatra? So answer will be Samved Shikhar. It is important, Samved Shikhar. ठीक है. Explanation is Samved Shikhar is a place located in Chota Nagpur region of Jharkhand. So the question could also ask like Samved Shikhar located in which state? So it will be Jharkhand. And related to 23rd Jain Tirthankar Parshanath. This is the place where Parshanath has offered austerity. This is why Samved Shikhar is a sacred place and pilgrimage center for Jains. He got enlightenment after 84 days. Okay. Then Buddha was born at. This is normal question. I think every and each will remember this. Lumbini. So after like he was from Lumbini, Shakya Kshatriya family in 563 BC. Father name is Suddhodana and mother name is Mahamaya. Okay. Then he become an ascetic at about 29 year of age. ठीक है. So that kind of things. Next question from Mauryan and post-Mauryan era. Kautilya was prime minister of. Yes, very very simple question. Chandragupta. So देखो यहाँ पे they try to confuse you. Chandragupta Vikramaditya and Chandragupta. So you will have to remember it. They will try to confuse you in normal questions. So you will have to just clear the information. Like only Chandragupta is the Kautilya is the prime minister of Chandragupta. ठीक है. And Kautilya, also called Chanakya, he served chief advisor to both Emperor Chandragupta and his son Bindusara. So Chandragupta's son was Bindusar, and he just became chief advisor of Bindusar also. Okay. Then Gupta period, post Gupta period, and Vardhan dynasty. Question from there. Who among the following is well known for the contribution in the field of algebra? So this will be the Bhaskara. Well-known astrologer and mathematician, Bhaskara is known for his contribution in the field of algebra mathematics. He composed two books, Siddharth Shiromani and Leelavati. Okay, he was the courtier of Chandragupta Vikramaditya. So just remember it. It could also be asked like who was the like scholar of Chandragupta Vikramaditya, so it will be Bhaskara, है ना. Then medieval India, question from medieval India. Delhi Sultanate, question who were the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? It will be Qutbuddin Aibak. So after winning some states in India, Muhammad Ghori went back to Ghazni and he appointed Qutbuddin Aibak as the caretaker of his region in that area. When Muhammad Ghori has died, then Qutbuddin Aibak became the first Muslim Sultan of India in 1206. After him, Iltutmish became from 206 to 1210. Sorry, Qutbuddin Aibak became from 1206 to 1210. Okay. Then Iltutmish was also son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak. After that, Rajia, daughter of Iltutmish. Okay. Then Balban. ठीक है. So this was the chronology of Tas dynasty. Then next question. In the courtyard of the Quwwatul Islam Mosque of Delhi stands the famous iron pillar in the memory of Chandragupta II. ठीक है. The iron pillar established in the courtyard of Quwwatul Islam Mosque of Delhi stand the memory of Gupta ruler Chandragupta Maurya II. Okay. Next question. Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to. So this is very. I can say Muhammad bin Tughlaq were very unlucky person because he was very educated, well educated, but most of his policies like changing capital, है ना, from Delhi to Daulatabad. Okay. Then raising tax, and then uh, having new coin, है ना. So all these policies of his been failed. So Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to the north, to Daulatabad to south. He believed that Daulatabad was the center of the kingdom, so that proper administrative control was possible from there. He also wanted to serve his capital from Mongol attack. So main reason was to serve his capital from Mongol attack. Okay, this was the main reason for changing his capital. But many thousands of people has died in the middle way, because the travel was very hard, very harsh to people, and this decision has taken by the king suddenly. People was not ready for that, so this kind of reason are here. Okay. Next question is, Taimur invaded India during the region of to Alauddin Khilji, Bahlol Lodi, Firoz Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. All of these are not correct answer, because Taimur has invaded India in 1398. On that time, Delhi Sultanate was ruled by Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah Tughlaq. Okay? He was from Tughlaq Rajvansh, but the name was Nasiruddin Mahmud. When I was in my graduation, then this like Taimur topic has been given to me as assignment. So yeah, exactly. He has killed lakhs of peoples. Very brutal attack on India by the Taimur. That is why when Kareena Kapoor has named his son as Taimur, so many people said why Taimur, because Taimur was killed many people from India. Okay. Next question. Amir Khusro played a pioneer role in the development of. So it will be Khadi Boli. Amir Khusro is credited for creation of Khadi Boli Hindvi, which is called Hindvi also. He is also regarded as the father of Qawwali. Okay, Qawwali, which we just listen from dholak and mic and different kind of things. Okay, he introduced the ghazal style. Ghazal chitti aayi hai something like है ना. This is ghazal style song in India. Khusro is credited for the invention of the sitar guitar, and like two mix kind of weapons he used instrument. His major works are Kiran Sadain, Nushifir, Kazain ul Futa, Tughlaqnama, Afzal ul Fawed, Hasta Bishit, etc. ठीक है. After that, question from Bhakti movement 12. The Chishti Sufi order was established in India by, तो इसका होगा ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती. Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti believed that music is the best way to reach God. So Chishti Chishti Sufi order just followed, like they sing songs for the God, and they said music is the best way to find the God. Okay, this was the mentality of them. The Chishti order was established in India by the Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti, who came in India in 1192. So what happened in 1192? Gauri came to India, and Tali Kota Yuddh happened. Okay, so with him he also came, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. Like when in ancient India and in medieval India, when uh, any area invaded, main reason were not only just plunder the wealth, but to just influence their own culture. Okay, this kind of things were also there, cultural effect, and they looted their wealth also. They just changed the religion of people also, है ना. In India you can say many changed Islamic Muslims will you will find. Very few will be the real Muslims. Most of them will be modified and changed Muslim by the Muslim ruler or Muslim invader, we can say. Yeah. Next is next is from related to the Mughal dynasty. This, many emperor from the Mughal dynasty and Aibak, like Sultanate time, they was nice to है ना, nice to Indians and the place where they are king, है ना. So it's not like every and each invaders and king from other side is not good. Okay. Next was next question is Jizya was reimposed during the region of, so it will be the Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb very orthodox related to the religion. He followed the Sunni Muslim, है ना. So Jizya reimposed by Aurangzeb in 1679. 1679. He appointed censors of public morals in all crucial cities of enforced Islamic law. He just enforced the Islamic law, and he tried to put down such practices as drinking, gambling, prostitution. He forbade the cultivation of narcotics. ठीक है, तो मुस्लिम में जो भी चीज़ें denied, he just tried to uh, cut down that kind of things. Okay. He issued first edict forbidding sati or self immolation of women in funeral pyres. He also denounced the castration of children so they could be sold as inches. In the economic sphere, he showed a determined opposition to all illegal exaction and taxes were not authorized by Islamic law. Immediately after his second coronation, he abolished the inland transport duty, which amounted to 10% of the value of goods. The octroi on all articles of food and drink were brought into the cities for sale. In 1668 AD, he forbade music at the court and expelled the royal band. So in 1668, he just stopped the music, है ना, and royal band also. He pensioned off a large number of state musicians and singers. The festivities held on Emperor's birthday, including the custom of weighting him against gold and silver, were discontinued, and Mansabdas were forbidden to offer him usual presents. The ceremony of darshan or the public appearance of the emperor of people was abandoned in 1679. ठीक है, तो most of things was just abandoned. Next question: where is the Mussolini muse- mausoleum of Shersa? Sorry, I'm pronouncing wrong. Yeah, Museum of Shersa. So in Sasaram, D and A option are same, but yeah, it's misprint, I think. So the tomb of Sasaram Shersa Suri is situated in Sasaram in Rohtang district of Bihar. This is in Bihar. It is located on the Grand Trunk Road, which is built by him. It is the exquisite museum built by him, and construction was completed between 1540 to 1545, है ना. From 1540 to 1555, 45, Sher Shah became the emperor of India, like Babar. Humayun, he defeated Humayun many times. ठीक है, next question. Who among the following deserves the credit for the construction of Lal Killa? So it will be the Shah Jahan, na? Answer will be Shah Jahan. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan is accredited for the construction of Lal Killa 1648. Shah Jahan transferred his capital from Agra to Delhi. This is very important information. He has transferred his capital from Shah Jahan to Delhi and laid the foundation of Shah Jahanabad on this name. Red Fort is an important monument of Shah Jahan. It is an irregular octangle with two sides on the west and east, है ना? ये कुछ cultural चीज़ें दी हैं. That is not that much important for us. Next question is 21st January celebrated as birthday of. So this is like not real. Options are not right because Guru Gobind Singh was born on 5th January. Subhash Chandra Bose 23 January. Devendranath 15 May. चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद जी 23 जुलाई. ठीक है, तो वो चीज़ है. Then modern history. Question from modern history. Who were the topic is social cultural reform, lower caste, labor organization and peasant movements. This is the topic, है ना? Then 17 question is who were the founder of Radha Swami Satsang? Answer is Shiv Dayal Sahib. The Radha Swami Satsang was founded by Shiv Dayal Sahib, who known as Tulsi Ram or Swamiji Maharaj in 1861 AD. By planting a mulberry tree in Dayalbagh, Agra, he was banker by profession. Rai Saligram coined the name Radha Swami. He used to call Narayani Devi, wife of Shiv Dayal Sahib, Radha ji. And like this, the name Radha Swami came into existence. Okay. Next question is a large crowd gathered in the Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar on 13 April 1919 to protest against the arrest of. तो यहाँ पे सैफुद्दीन किचलू एंड सत्यपाल है ना. So when Rowlatt Act came in 1990, then Satyapal and Saifuddin, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichlu has been arrested by British government from the Rowlatt Act, है ना? Like no appeal, no dalil, this types of something like that. So people were there on 13 April for a festival also, and some people of them were related to this kind of meeting, है ना? Meeting related to Satyapal ji or Saifuddin Kichlu's arrest. So Dyer has started fire on the people who were normal also and who are related to this. So thousands of people like has been died in this. Then Hunter committee has been uh, organized, but Dyer in Britain has been reinforced by some kind of price. Okay, so this was the condition of Britishers. Next question: who among the following was founder of Dev Samaj? So answer will be Shiv Narayan. The Dev Samaj was founded in February 1887 by Shiv Narayan Agnihotri at Lahore. The teaching of this Samaj compiled a book called Dev Shastra, being inspired from Ram Krishna Paramhans. Swami Vivekanand founded Ram Krishna Mission. Dadabhai Nauroji and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was great freedom fighter. Then independence struggle and national movements related topics. Who voted against the partition of India in the AICC All India Congress meeting held on 14 June 1947? ठीक है. So Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, also known as Frontier Gandhi, and he voted against the partition, but Nehru ji, Abul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel or Govind Ballabh Pant, they voted in favor of the partition because lakhs of people has been died due to Hindu Muslim danga and something like that. So last option was to part the India. Otherwise, if people will not live, people will not be alive. So what is the essence of having only one country, है ना? The other leader who voted against the partition of included Ram Motwani, Dr. Kichlu, P.D. Tandon, मौलाना हाफिज उर रहमान. ठीक है. Next question. In which of the following movement Vande Mataram was adopted slogan for agitation? So after partition of Bengal, Vande Mataram was adopted after partition of Bengal. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote this, and it is adopted as national song at the Varanasi session of All India Congress Committee on September 7, 1905. Okay. Banaras session of December 1905 did hear the song sung by Sarla Devi. This is important song sung by Sarla Devi in Banaras. Okay. Next question. Who of the following was the first Muslim president of India National Congress? So this will be the Badruddin Tayyib. ठीक है. Badruddin Tayyib ji was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress elected in 1887. The session was held between 22 to 28 December 1887 Madras. He was elected as the president of third session. There was total 67 delegates participate in this session. ठीक है. तो मुस्लिम, they are asking about Muslim first. Badruddin Tayyib, बद, बैड, है ना. तो मुस्लिम लोग मतलब जिन्ना जो थे काफ़ी बैड थे, तो तैयब नाम सही लग रहा है कि भाई बदरुद्दीन तैयब. तो बैड जो थे जिन्ना थे मुस्लिम, तो फर्स्ट मुस्लिम कौन हो जाएगा? बैड रुद्दीन. ऐसे करके हम लोग याद कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, बैड रुद्दीन. फिर क्या है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु सेड कांग्रेस इज टॉटरिंग टू इट्स फॉल एंड वन ऑफ माई ग्रेटेस्ट एम्बिशन वाइल इन इंडिया इज टू असिस्ट इट टू अ पीसफुल डिमाइज. Lord Curzon has said this. Lord Curzon, as all we know, the partition of Bengal 1905 has been done by the Lord Curzon. He said this like Congress is about to die. So let's see the explanation. In 1900, Lord Curzon declared, the Congress is tottering to its fall and one of my great ambition while in India would be to assist it to a peaceful demise. Britishers' think tank avowed that under the guidance of moderate Congress was a weak politician institution that had no trust of Indians would be devastated easily. Okay. Next question is, which of the following struggle of Mahatma Gandhi was related to industrial workers? So Mahatma Gandhi has started Champaran, Ahmedabad, Kheda. Ahmedabad related to mill workers. This was related to Tikatiya system, and this was related to tax. Okay, so answer will be Ahmedabad. ठीक है. Ahmedabad struggle of Mahatma Gandhi was related to industrial workers. It has been established. It has been taken place in 1970 in Ahmedabad. ठीक है. Next question. Who is the exponent of theory of economic drain of India during the British rule? So it will be the Dadabhai Naoroji, drain of wealth. He has been written an article of drain of wealth related to how Indians' money has been plundered by Britishers. Okay, so that is the answer. Next, find out the correct sequence of following from code given below. So they are asking when chronology of that. Okay. So Rajgopalachari plan has been taken place in 10 July 1944. Wavell plan June 14, 1945. Cabinet mission 24 March 1946. Mountbatten plan 1947. So I think Mountbatten plan will be remembered to everyone. 1947. Cabinet mission also 1946. Two things like Wavell plan and Rajgopala mission, you have to remember it by heart. So Rajgopala plan has came in 1944 before the Wavell plan. Okay. Next, who of the following took the burning of foreign clothes during the non-cooperation movement as insane waste? So Rabindranath Tagore said, we are wasting cloths. It is not, it's also economic waste. We should not waste it. Next question is, which Indian revolutionary helped Subhash Chandra Bose in raising the Indian National Army? So this will be the Rash Bihari Bose. It's not hard question, it's easy going question. Subhash Chandra Bose arrived at Singapore, which is in Asia, in 1943. on October 21, 1943, announced the establishment of provincial government of Free India. ठीक है. The same day, Raj Bihari Bose resigned from the president post of INA, and Subhash Chandra Bose was declared supreme commander of Azad Hind Fauj. Next question: in which of the following did Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel play a leading role? Answer will be Bardoli Satyagrah. So in Bardoli Satyagrah, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in 1928, farmer in Bardoli invited Vallabhbhai Patel to launch the protest movement wherein all of them resolved not to pay taxes. They also assured Gandhiji of their commitment to non-violence. Patel agreed to take on leadership role only after getting assurance from the farmers. Gandhiji also lent support to campaign through his writings in Young India magazine. Fearing things could go out of hand, the government set up the Maxwell Bromfield Commission to take up in the matter. As a result of the revenue was reduced 6.603%. The confiscation land were returned to peasants. Patel emerged as a national leader after the success of Bardoli Satyagrah, and the women of Bardoli Satyagrah entitled him as a Sardar. ठीक है. Next is when Gandhiji was arrested during the Sal Satyagrah, who took his place as the leader of movement. So it will be Abbas Tayyab ji. ठीक है. When Gandhiji was arrested during Sal Satyagrah, Abbas Tayyab ji took place as the movement leader. He led the Bardoli Satyagrah successfully in 1928 and took the leadership of the national movement when Mahatma Gandhi was arrested during the Dandi March. He was arrested several times for leading the national movement. He was aptly praised as the Gujarat Diamond by Gandhiji. Justice Abbas Tayyab ji played a leading role in the Indian national movement with a strong determination of free Mother India and yoke of British imperialism. Next question. The date April 6, 1930 is known in Indian history for what? So it was the Dandi March by the Mahatma Gandhi ji. In 6 April 1930, he reached the Dandi March started by Mahatma Gandhi, and Salt March began on March 12. ठीक है. Continued till 6 April. 24 days non-violence march he did for breaking the law of salt. Okay, he make salt. Next question. Who warned Gandhiji not to encourage fanaticism of Muslim religious leader and fear their followers? So Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he was not with the Gandhi's decision to go with Khilafat Andolan. 1919 Khilafat Andolan started. Gandhi taken part in this, and after some years, in 1920, he started Khilafat Andolan and converted it as a Asahयोग Andolan, non-cooperation Andolan. Okay. Then 1922 Chauri Chaura Kand happened. Then he has stopped from the Asahयोग Andolan. Okay. Next question. The periodical names among the following published by Mahatma Gandhi during his stay in South Africa. So Indian Opinion. He started Indian Opinion. Mahatma Gandhi founded the Natal Indian Congress in 1894. ठीक है. 1894 he had started Natal Indian Congress, South Africa, and was imprisoned several times. He also founded Tolstoy Farm with his associates and started living here. He founded Phoenix Farm in South Africa in December 1904 and published the magazine Indian Opinion. Okay. In South Africa in June 1906. India Gazette was an English business newspaper published by Messer B. Mannix and Peter Reed. 1780 Navjeevan published in 1919 by Mahatma Gandhi. ठीक है. Navjeevan was also published by Mahatma Gandhi in 1990. So in 1915 Gandhi ji reached in India, and Navjeevan, he started a Navjeevan new life है ना in 1919. Next, from Indian geography. So we completed questions from Indian history, ancient, medieval, modern, all three sections we completed. So see, in 2002, 33 questions was from history, all ancient, medieval and modern. So see the importance of history. It is very important today also. Question from physical, structural and drainage system of human geography. Which one of the following tribes of India belong to Proto-Australoid race? So it will be Santhal. We have to just see explanation. It is very important explanation. Dr. B.S. Guha divided Indian population into 6 large and 9 small parts in 1949. First is Negrito, second is Proto-Australoids, third is Mongoloid, fourth is Mediterranean, fifth is Brachi Chapal, sixth is Nordic found in India. The known Negrito, Proto-Australian and the Mongoloid species belong to tribal people. Perhaps the people belonging to the Proto-Australoids race came here just after Negrites. Their sources are Australian Aborigines. They are settled in the central India from Rajmahal Hills to Aravalli, Santhal, Bhil, Gond, Munda, Oron, etc. from Indo-Proto-Australoid group. Okay, they are physically different from Negroids in many ways. Their hair is coarse and straight instead of woolly. It is considered that they were the people who had developed the Indus Valley civilization in collaboration with the Mediterranean race. Their skeletons have been found in excavation of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. ठीक है. Next question देखते हैं. Which one of the following states does not form border with Bangladesh? It is Manipur because Bangladesh shares border with. I have remembered it from a trek. Mamta. ठीक है. Banerjee is all. एम से हो गया मेघालय, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, असम. देयर विल बी ओनली वन है. ठीक है. असम, देन वेस्ट बंगाल. ओके, सो देयर विल नॉट बी मणिपुर. द बॉर्डर इज द लार्जेस्ट बॉर्डर ऑफ इंडिया, 4096.7 किलोमीटर बॉर्डर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज as per 2001 census, which of the following has a lower density population than other three? So we have to see according to 2011, but okay, so leave this question because it is according to 2001. We have to see according to 2011 population, है ना? So we should leave it because if we correct it, it could be wrong for today scenario, and it will create confusion in our mind if we tick the question in our exam now. Next, from the topic monsoon, forest, soil irrigation project, agriculture, etc. Which of the following trees once very popular in social forestry is now environment hazard? So eucalyptus. ठीक है. Around 80 gallons water it takes every day. Okay. Next question. Tehri Dam is being constructed Uttarakhand on the river of Bhagirathi. This is the India's fourth India. This is the highest dam in India and fourth highest dam in the world. Around 260.5 meter high and 292 meter long. Part of Tehri Dam hydropower project. Take up for construction of on river. ठीक है. Bhagirathi. Next question. Rajiv Gandhi National Park is located in Karnataka. ठीक है. It is located in Karnataka, known as Nagarhole National Park. It lies in Western Ghat, part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Okay. Established in 1955. And upgraded into 1988. It declared 37 Tiger Reserve under Project Tiger in 1999. ठीक है. Next question. The National Forest Policy aims at maintaining how much of the total geographical area under the forest? So 1/3. Okay. So that is the answer. Around 1/3% tree cover should be there. This has been said by the forest policy. Next question, related to minerals, energy, resource industry, etc. Which of the following state enjoy ideal condition for the development of proto-chemical industry? So it will be A. Gujarat is the Indian state that enjoys ideal condition for developing proto-chemical industries. Gujarat contributes 15% of total Indian national chemical export. Proto-chemical industry in Gujarat purchased 13.08 million tons of petrochemicals products, contribute around 62% of country's total products. ठीक है. That is why for proto-chemicals, Gujarat is the best. Next question. The largest coal reserve of India is found in. So it will be Jharkhand. ठीक है. First, coal देखो, two things are different. First, reserve, then production. Production like how much produces. Reserve is how much under the earth, under the soil. ठीक है. That is the Jharkhand. Next question, which one of the following state is the largest producer of coffee? So that is Karnataka. First is Karnataka. Around 70% coffee is produced in Karnataka only. And in 30, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, different kind of Andhra Pradesh states are there, okay? Then we are covering the world geography. Question number first is, which of the following planet takes the last time to orbit the sun? Least time to orbit the sun will be Mercury. Okay? Here some every in each planet are given and the time taken by them. Least is from Mercury, then Venus, then Earth. Earth is third. Okay? Third least. First is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth. Okay? Next question. Which of the following statement is not true? Presence of water vapor is highly variable in the lower temperature. So yes, in lower temperature you will find more 0 degree, 30, 60. Here you will find very cold conditions and water evaporation will not be that much. And here water evaporation, rain, the process of water cycle will very high here. Okay, so first is correct. The zone of maximum temperature is located along the equator. No, it's not. It seems like yes equator, but it's around north, somewhere north to equator. ठीक है, तो B with the wrong answer. See the we have to see the all options. Frigid zone are located in the both hemisphere between the polar circle and poles. Yes, exactly. Frigid zone 60 to 90 degree latitude. Frigid. ठीक है. Next, jet stream a high altitude wind affecting the surface weather condition. Exactly. This is very high. This is like curvy linear kind of. So this effect. Next question from lithosphere. Which one of the following countries situated geographically in America but politically is part of Europe? This will be the Greenland because it geographically located to America but politically part of Denmark, which is continent of Europe. Cuba is the country of Central America. Ireland, one of the Scandinavian countries. Norway, Sweden, Denmark of Europe. The Canary Island, also known informally as Canaries, is Spanish archipelago in Atlantic Ocean known as Micronesia. ठीक है. Next is, which of the following soil is more suited for tea plantation? So it will be acidic. ठीक है. Tea और acidic है ना, AC. देखो, when we will sit in AC we feel like yes we need tea, some hot drink. So by this you can remember TAC, acidic. ठीक है, TAC. ठीक है. Next is, which one of the following is correct sequence? So they are asking about the correct sequence while growing Zaire to Netherlands. So it will be equatorial climatic region first, then tropical desert, then Mediterranean है ना, Mediterranean, then Western Europe climate. Okay, this is the answer. Then hydrosphere से questions हैं. Which is the deepest lake in the world? So Lake Baikal is the deepest lake. It is in Russia and it also world's most ancient freshwater lake. Originated from 20 to 25 million years ago. Homes to many species. Okay, and it is very freshwater lake. Lake Baikal is one of the cleanest and purest bodies of water. On a good day, you can see around 40 meters into the lake. Okay, how clean this is, you can imagine. Next, for the economic geography, which one of the following countries has the largest known reserve oil? So on that time it was different, but now Venezuela is the first which has largest reserve oil. Then Saudi Arabia, then Canada, then Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, UAE. ठीक है, Venezuela, Saudi, कनाडा, ईरान, इराक, कुवैत. ठीक है, ऐसे करके कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है, द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर एंड एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ लॉन्ग स्टेपल कॉटन इन द वर्ल्ड इज चाइना. देन सेकेंड नंबर आई थिंक वी आर कमिंग इंडियन. Then topic is population and urbanization. Urbanization follows industrialization because देखो, where you find assertion then reasoning you can take because when you read reason, or if you read reason first then that is why add here, that is why assertion. ठीक है. For example, I am reading it. Urbanization follows industrialization because in developing countries urbanization is a movement in itself. So yes, this is right, both explanation and reason correct. Next is India's urban population exceeds the total population of USA because India has made spectacular growth in urbanization. So A is true, but C is not correct. Sorry, A is true, but R is not correct because it's not. We are not having that much urbanizational growth. Still, village are having more population in urban areas. Okay, next question is, in India, the increase in crime has gone up with increase in urbanization and industrialization because industrial urban economy causes family and cultural disorganization. ठीक है, तो yeah, that is right. Both are right and right answer also given. Which of the following were the first million city of the country according to 1901 census? It was the Kolkata. Just take like Kolkata was the main state of every revolutionary activity in the modern India, है ना? Britisher time. So Kolkata was the first million city. It has been population growth in 71. It crossed million. Okay. Next, which one of the following is most urbanized state of the India? So it will be the Goa. Goa is the most urbanized state. Okay, from 2011 also, it is the most urbanized. 62.2% population is from urban area. The state having the highest density population is West Bengal. ठीक है, first देखो Bihar, then West Bengal, then Kerala. Okay. Next, as per 2001 census, correct ascending order following states term of literacy. So this is of 2001. It's no use. Then Indian Constitution and polity. We have to cover polity. The Constitution of India was completed by 26 of November 1949. ठीक है, and came into effect 26 January 1950. So that is the answer. Next question, from citizenship, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principle of state policy. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to freedom, right to equality, right to property, right against exploitation. The right to property has been abolished. Okay. In 1978 44 amendment, it has been abolished and taken in 300 part A. Okay, not in fundamental rights. We have 6 type of rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural educational right, right to constitutional remedy. ठीक है. Next है, from union and state legislature emergency provisions. Who among the following is appointed by the president? Attorney General, Comptroller, Auditor General, Governor of India. So all of them are appointed by the president. Okay. Article C, the articles. 76 article talks about the Attorney General. 148 talks about the CAG. And 156 talks about the governor. Okay. Appointment of governor. Then Legislative Assembly, Council of Ministers. How many states and union territories are there in India? So now it's different in 28 state and 8 union territories. Okay. Next question, which one of the following motions has a contextual relationship with the union budget? It will be cut motion. The cut motion is introduced in the member of the Lok Sabha during the passing of budget in the House. Cut motions are of 3 types: cut motion, economic cut motion, and token cut motion. ठीक है. After creation of Uttarakhand, how many assembly constituencies remain in UP? It was 403. Okay, it is now also. After creation of Uttarakhand, it is 403 assembly, and 70 assembly constituted present in Uttarakhand. So 70 is in Uttarakhand, 403 in UP. Next question, from Election Commission, official language, etc. Which article of Indian Constitution provide that it shall be endeavour of every state to provide adequate facility for instruction in the mother tongue at the primary stage of education? So it will be 350. Answer. Oh, sorry. 350A. Okay. Yes. Article 351A regarding facility for instruction in mother tongue at the primary stage. It asserts that it shall be the duty of every state and of every local authority within the state to provide adequate facility for instruction in mother tongue at the primary stage of education children belonging to linguistic minority group. Okay. Next questions are from Panchayati Raj and Constitutional Amendment and Schedules. Which of the following has banned floor crossing by the member elected on a party ticket, the legislature? It will be 56 Constitutional Amendment. 56 Amendment 1985. Okay. Schedule 10. These are three are important things. And RPA, some section of RPA like 8, 4. Okay. Next question is bonded labor system abolished at the enacted in India. So it was in 1976. Okay. Bonded labor system abolition act taken place in 1976, 1975. Okay. Then from the section of economy, we completed history section, polity section. We are coming on economy section. Economy section takes questions from mostly current affairs. So we will have to see that also. How like which kind of current affair they ask. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana came into being in 1999. Okay. Next question: economic planning, national income, budget, etc. In the gone by decade of 19th, highest rate of growth of GDP was obtained in which of the following year? So C answer, but according to now it is different. I am just giving the answer only. As per the report of State Directorate of Economic and Static during 1991-2000, UP's contribution of GNP was 5% declined. ठीक है? Which of the following form of largest shares of deficit in government of India budget? So fiscal deficit. Then agricultural and trade. Which of the following are main objective of the Sarda Sahayak Command Area Development Project? So the increase agricultural production, to change the land use pattern through multiple cropping, to improve the land management, all of that were the important thing. Then currency, banking, taxation, center state financial relation. The gilt edge market deal with government securities. The gilt edge market deals with the government securities. The gilt edge market is the market where buying and selling of government securities takes place. Security in the market are risk free as government issue these securities. Therefore, it is most liquid market which ensures guaranteed return. In October 2021, the Reserve Bank of India reduced bank rate from 7% to 6.50. Then next question. For regulation of the insurance trade in the country, the government has removed the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Next question. Which bank has been presented with the Asian Banking Award 2001 for operational efficiency in treasury, operational efficiency in treasury operations? So it will be the A answer. Okay. Industrial Development Bank. Next question. World Bull and Bear are associated with which branch of commercial activity? It will be the share market. A bull market is one where prices are rising, and a stock market is space where share of public listed companies are traded. The primary market is where companies float share to the general public in an initial public offering. Okay? Next is, as per the report of the State Directorate of Economic and Static 2000, Uttar Pradesh is inhabited to World Bank. Other leading agencies excluded 75,000 crore. Which one of the following is the main source of state revenue in UP? So trade tax. Next is foreign trade of India and economic organization share market. According to UNDP report, HDI rank of India 2001 in the range of 111 से 115. Science. Now we are coming on science. Physics. Which kind of light wave are used in remote control and television? So infrared. Infrared waves are used in remote control of television. The signal between a remote control handset and the device control pulses of in infrared light, which is invisible to the human eyes but can seen through a digital camera, video camera, or phone camera. Okay. Sound waves can travel both solid and gaseous medium. Okay. Then an electric apparatus earthing is used for safety. And electric apparatus earthing is used for safety. Earthing is used to protect from electric shock. It does this by providing a path protective conductor for a fault current to flow to earth. It also causes the protective device, either a circular break or fuse, to switch off the electric current to circular that has the fault. Next question. An air bubble inside water behaves as a divergent lens, which we say avatal. ठीक है? Air is optically rarer medium as compared to water. While moving from water to air, the ray of light blend away from the normal at the point of incidence. The beam of light bends toward the normal while moving from air to water. So it is clearly visible that the air bubbles act as a divergent lens or concave lens, who is associated with the development of India's atomic bomb. So it will be Raja Ramanna. Raja Ramanna is associated with the development of Indian atomic bomb. Raja Ramanna was an Indian physicist. Ramanna was recruited by Homi Bhabha to join Indian nuclear program. Ramanna twice served as director of Bhabha Atomic Research Center. ठीक है. India tested its first atomic bomb in 1974 during the time of Indira Gandhi ji. For this accomplishment, Ramanna received the Padma Vibhushan, ठीक है, India's second highest civilian honor award. From the chemistry section, the important metal and used with iron products steel is chromium. So chromium is used for the stainless steel. Next, which one of the following metal is not attracted by a magnet? So it will be the aluminium. Otherwise, the ferrous metals like iron, cobalt, nickel, these are attracted, and aluminium, magnesium, tungsten, platinum are not attracted. Next question, which of these is not a colloid? So blood is colloid, yes. Milk is colloid, honey is colloid. So ice cream is not colloid. Next is, which one of the following is not responsible for the depletion of ozone layer? It will be nitrous oxide. CFC12 is responsible, methyl chloride is responsible, halon bara 11 responsible, but nitrous oxide is not responsible. Okay. From botany section, saffron is dried mixture of seeds forming part of flower. Saffron is a dried mixture of seeds forming parts of flower. The dried stigmas of plant Crocus sativus eridaceus are proceeds to produce saffron, as well known spice, which has some other important in pharmaceuticals, cosmetic, textile, etc. Which one of the following fiber is not product of plant stem? So it will be cotton. Cotton fiber is not product of plant stem. Cotton is obtained from fruits of its cotton plant. The rest are obtained from stem of plant. Okay. From zoology section, which of the following is useful in the detection of landmines? It will be bee. Bee are used detecting landmines. Scientists believe that bee have greater smelling ability than dogs. Prodding is also found more in bees so that they can easily achieve their real target. The main constituent of honey is fructose. ठीक है. In fruit also you will find fructose. In honey also you will find fructose. In sugar you will find sucrose. Sucrose is not good for health. Fructose is it's okay with health. ठीक है. That is why we can use fructose. Then from computer science, IC chip for computer are usually made of silicon. IC chip for computer are usually made of silicon. Gallium arsenide is used in the manufacturing of devices such as microwave frequency integrated circuits, monoliths, microwave integrated circuits, infrared light emitting diodes, laser diode, solar cells, etc. ठीक है. Next question, science and technology. Genome mapping related to B, mapping of genes. Okay. Laser beam is used for treatment of eye. Okay. So laser beam is used for treatment of eye. Laser therapy uses a beam of light to treat diabetic retinopathy, macular degeneration, retinal tears, other eye problems. ठीक है. Next from economy and environment and ecology. ठीक है. Consider the following statement regarding global warming. So, melting of polar ice caps and subsequently rise in the sea level is the most important effect of global warming, right? The sea level is likely to rise by 1 meter by 2070 AD. Present level global warming is not controlled. Yes. All total coral, all island in the world will be submerged. Yes. By 2044 AD, Fiji is likely to be submerged and rise in the sea level by same year will be pose a grave danger. ठीक है. हाँ, right. Next question, which one of the following ecosystem covers the largest area of the earth's surface? It will be marine ecosystem. Okay. 70% earth's geographical area is marine ecosystem. ठीक है. Only 29% almost land area. Then on, like in 2002 reasoning were also asking this, but now we have CSAT exam, so we will ignore the reasoning section. Okay, we will discuss only GS section. UP general knowledge. The Path region of Banda district is mostly inhabited by so Kharwars. Okay. Next question, granite slabs and slates are made in Chunar. Okay, Chunar will be the answer. Then which city polluted industries have to be switched to natural gas based technology as per the order of Supreme Court? It was the Agra. In Agra, polluting industries have to be switched to natural gas based technology as per order of Supreme Court, because Taj Mahal of Agra was going yellowish. Okay. The decadal growth of population in Uttar Pradesh was highest in, so answer is 1961 to 71. Okay. This is asking about UP, not all India. Which of the following state in India is largest producer of wheat? So it will be UP. Largest producer they are asking, ठीक है? Not the productivity, है ना? Productivity is largest in Punjab. The sex ratio difference of Uttar Pradesh narrowed down most significantly during 1991-2001, ठीक है? As per agricultural statistics, Uttar Pradesh occupied the first rank in India in production of rice and wheat, rice and sugarcane, wheat and pulses, wheat and sugarcane. ठीक है, C. The GI road does not pass through, so it was the Aligarh Grand Trunk Road. Okay, it's not from Aligarh. Next question. While one of the following crop cycle is most suitable for Eastern UP, so it was rice, maize and wheat. ठीक है. The Kisan Bahi Yojana was launched in UP in 1992. Next question. Match the list. Centers and industries. So Onla is fertilizer, Modi Nagar for rubber, Barabanki for polyfiber, Kanpur for explosives. ठीक है. Next, in Uttar Pradesh, the marketable surplus is the highest for wheat. Okay. Which one of the following crop grown in Uttar Pradesh has the shortest duration? It is the moong. Which one of the following state tax region of UP constitute the highest revenue collection? It was Lucknow. The famous pilgrimage of Naimisharan is situated in Sitapur district. Next is from maths. We should ignore it. Then last section is current affair. To current affair, we have to see the type of questions, but we cannot. It is not useful for us now. We should just know which kind of question has been asked normally. I will normally read the question only. In 11th SAARC Summit 2002 was held in, so we have to remember 2024 held in, ठीक है? Where who among the following was honored with UP Top Most Sport Award Lakshman recently? This kind of award is also important. Godhra massacre is happened in D. Yes, 27 February 2002, Sabarmati Express train. Dada Sahab Phalke Award 2000 given to. So we have to remember it. Phalke Award given in 2000 to whom? The winner of Australian Open. So we have to remember Australian Open, Commonwealth, है ना? Paris Olympics, something like that. Which of the following republics besides Russia are nuclear power? These are 1 to 4. Ukraine, Georgia, Kazakhstan. I don't think so, but because now only 9 countries having nuclear power, and these countries are not there. Who is the only cricketer in India world to notch ever 10,000 runs and 28 centuries along with 100 wickets in one day? So we have to remember this kind of questions also. Who among the following took over a prime minister of interim government of Afghanistan? So it is Hamid Karzai. So we should have to remember the name of prime minister if recently any prime minister of important country taken place. ठीक है. Next question. The USA President George Bush declared war against terrorism as first war of 21st century is October 21. ठीक है. October 2001. Sorry. ठीक है. Because on 2001 terrorism attack has taken place in America. Next question. In 2001, Wimbledon lawn tennis championship men singles titles won by. So we have to remember recent. And here some seats and party. So recently, election has been taken place, so we have to remember seats and parties. The main focus of 89 Indian Science Congress was, we have to remember Indian Congress. Gandhi Peace Prize 2001 awarded to, so we have to remember 2024 awarded to whom. Who were the first air chief to receive honor of Marshal? It was the Arjun Singh, but this kind of information we have to remember. ठीक है. Indian Parliament was attacked by so it was by the 13 December 2001. Then miscellaneous. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? So B. Raghupati Sahai Firak in Allahabad is not correct. Josh is Malihabad, yes. Jigar is Muradabad, yes. Chasbas is Lucknow, yes. The Mahila Divas is celebrated on 13 May on the birthday of Sarojini Naidu ji. ठीक है. Next, who were the first Indian to receive the Magsaysay Award? So answer will be Vinoba Bhave. ठीक है. In 1958 she received. Girija Devi, famous singer of Thumri, belong to Banaras Gharana. तो घराना भी have to remember, it's very important. बनारस घराना, इलाहाबाद घराना, something लखनऊ घराना. ठीक है. Which one of the following Hindu festival is celebrated as festival of mourning by the Tharu? So Diwali. Tharus are just worshipping Ravan. ठीक है. तो that is why Diwali is mourning thing for Tharu. Indira Gandhi Planetarium is located at Lucknow. ठीक है. Which of the following is cereal grain product? It will be oatmeal. ठीक है. Indian Institution of Naturopathy and Yogic Science is located in Bangalore. So by this we have completed all 150 questions, and we have to see which kind of question has been asked in previous years so that we can guess and read according to that questions in our future years. In 2040 exams we crack it. Okay. Jai Hind.